it's a little bit, it's a bit flimsy. It's no good at high speeds, it just keeps moving. So I'm going to see if I can move it. The grip's alright, it's just the spinny things, it's like that all the time. The thing is, if I put it on my handlebars like that, you're not gonna see out. I mean, you can see me, but you don't want to look at my ugly mug. You want to see out there. See if I can. See, look at that. That's shit. The screen's too tall. If I put it there, might be a bit better. That might work. I think I'll just go back to using ram mount. It's more sturdier. Unless it's just this gooseneck mount, which is shit. It is a GoPro one. Big warehouses. There's a swan in this lake here. There's a swan in this lake here and it thinks it's 10 men. Trying to get a good shot. I don't want that. I don't want the corner side to be in the way. There he is. Meet Harold. Meet Harold. Harold the Swan. Hiya, Harold. We've got no goodies for you. Yeah, this is one of mine and Donna's. Here comes the ducks. Harold's just spinning round in a circle. Yeah, this is one of mine and Donna's favourite stops. Just to have a quick talk and a coffee or something if we bring flasks with us. So it's usually quite peaceful. You get joined by ducks. and Harold the Swan. I've had GS now, well, since October last year. I've not really spoken about it much in videos, and why I got rid of Speed Triple. So when I bought Speed Triple, I thought we'd give touring put touring on back burner a little bit and what have you, with everything what we're going off with COVID, but that it didn't last long. We went to Luxembourg, although it did quite well. Did the Speed Triple. It's just not a touring machine. So yeah, I've always looked at GS's and I thought, you know, with stigma about them at riders and what have you, and I just didn't want to become one of them. Not that there's no wrong, you know, everybody's ride each to their own really, but you know, people did take the piss out of GS riders and what have you. But having got on bike and owned it for what, 6-7 months now or whatever it is, I can honestly say I don't think I'll never not have a GS in garage. Not saying that I'm not going to get any other bikes, because I probably will. I do miss the MT10, so I have been looking at the MT10, but to have two bikes, and you know, it's the affordability factor, but most of all it's keeping up with maintenance side, and you know, riding one over other, and it's just a faff. I've had a couple of bikes in past, and it is a pain in the ass, you know, to keep on top of services and MOTs and all that. So but yeah, GS, it does everything. You know, when Donna's on back, we're fully loaded, I can't feel her, I can't feel luggage, and it's just a bike for everything really. It's a bike that I don't mind getting wet, it's a bike that I don't mind cleaning, it's a bike, you know, when you take back box off, you take all luggage off, and it turns into a sports bike. Well, not a sports bike, but you know what I mean. It handles brilliantly. But yeah, I'm well impressed with tyres what are on. Tyres what are on this. I think when I bought it, because obviously it was used, it had 5,000 miles or whatever on at the time. But the tyres that they've got on, and I've seen some pictures at tyres when they're new, and they're not exactly knobbly tyres, but they're different to these ones. These are Michelin. Tell you in a minute. Michelin Road 5 Trail. So I think they're just the Road 5s. So the Michelin Road 5s what are on these. And when I had Super Duke, I had Angel GT2s put on, but I was thinking about putting Michelin Road 5s on, because they have got good reviews. But I'm telling you now, these tyres, they're absolutely awesome. Awesome ain't wet, awesome ain't dry. I've had no slippage on them, no feeling that the back end's going to come out. Just an all-round brilliant tyre, so I'll probably go for them again. But yeah, what a lovely place to stop. I try not to edit too much stuff out. I'm going in a different direction with channel, I think. You know, I'm an honest... You see me there. We're honest people, we're honest, we just like to have a laugh. It's not too serious. I do seem to be going in a different direction with channel, trying to bring more personality to it and what have you. Even though, you know, whatever's going off in your own life, for me, making vlogs and including Donna in it, and we just have a laugh. You know what I mean? You get some people commenting like clickbait, hashtag clickbait. Well, everything's clickbait, innit? If you're into a certain topic, so you put a picture of a motorbike on your thumbnail, it's clickbait, innit? Because that's what the video's about. You want people to click on it. It's just a laugh at the end of the day. It's not too serious. You know, there's no scripts. We don't have fancy lighting. We don't have IKEA furniture in background with funny squares and shapes on. you know, we're not trying to entice people to the channel. We're just wanting people, like-minded people like us. If you do like what you see, you know, like, comment, get in touch. You know, we'll respond to every comment. And if you have been to the channel a few times and you like what you see, subscribe. It's up to you, subscribe or not. But you know, the fact that people watch the videos and then they go to the comment section and put hashtag clickbait. You decided to comment, you decided to watch. So whether you think it's clickbait or not, whatever. If you don't like it, jog on. But yeah, I mean, we've met some right nice people throughout doing these vlogs and being on YouTube. What is annoying with this camera is that the front screen time's out, and it's a bit annoying because I don't know if I'm holding camera up here, down there, whatever. But yeah, we've met some right nice people doing this, and like the weekend that we've just been on, which I'm in process of editing, where we stopped at Paul Flynn's gaff. Paul and Jan put on a right spread for everybody. Big garden, and we all camped there, and we just had a laugh. We had a ride out. Fortunately, me and Don and Ronnie could make it for the Saturday ride out. We couldn't make the Sunday one, but yeah, it was a really good laugh. And you know, you're meeting people like that, and that's what it's all about at the end of the day. So I'm not into this hiring bike for a day, or going into a Suzuki dealership and pretending that I want to buy one and borrowing it for an hour to do a review on. I'm not into that. So I'm into owning bikes and telling you what I think's good and what I think's bad about them. But and that's what we're about, really. No airs, no graces. That's it, really. Oh, lovely little ducks. Ducklings. With mummy and daddy. Our Judd's bike's just a glorified clothes horse. Well, I hope you enjoyed that short little ride with us. Not much going off really, but yeah, I'll catch you next time. Stay safe.